Hello, today I want to show you how I work join as you go. I will make chain 3, remove my hook in place in the chain space of the next square. Then I pull up that loop and make a slip stitch. I work my granny square as I normally would. The difference is only every few stitches, or like this one every cluster, I will remove my hook from the loop, place in between 2 stitches on the other side of the non-working square and slip stitch to connect those 2 squares together. So I'm making cluster again, removing hook, placing in the 3rd stitch under 2 loops and slip stitch. With this design, I do not use only clusters, but you can use this for regular granny square stitch as well. I'm still making cluster even if I'm making on my working a square in a chain space just for that design, but the connection is the same. So remember, every cluster or every set of stitches that you need to complete on your working square, you remove your hook, place your hook under 2 loops, and then you're connecting. Now the corners I do a little bit differently. For the corner, I always place my hook in the middle of the chain space. So this is my corner now. So I did this here too, then in between stitches, and now I'm making under the chain space, pull that, slip stitch. And this was join as you go first 2 squares. Now we want to connect those squares to our project. So now I will show you continuation of that, which will be L shape. Depending how you hold your project, sometimes your L shape will be other way around like mine is, but the main thing is L shape is connecting 2 sides. Today I also will show you 3 sides, which is the pocket join. Okay, so let's connect our square to our 3rd granny square. That will be our L join. And we will work this side exactly the same way like you were doing previously on the other side until you reach the corner. So I always put my work this way. It's just easier for me to work this way. And I'm speeding up now when I'm working the sides because each 3 sides will be worked exactly the same way. The join is exactly the same way. I'm placing my stitches in between 2 loops. But let's talk about the corner. And this is very nice corner to work with because you are connecting 4 different squares together. Okay, let's continue. I have 3 openings here from my 3 squares, and I want to make 4. It's a little like twinkle star, I call it. To make this, I place my hook in the 1st granny square, slip stitch. I skip the 2nd one and I place my hook in the 3rd one and I will slip stitch, and that's it. Let me just finish this first cluster and I will show you how it look like. Okay, there you go. Nice little openings for each of the chain spaces in the corner. Now let's again speed up this process because I'm making stitches exactly the same way like I did in my other 2 sides. And how I said, you can use this join as you go for any design you can create. It's working perfectly with regular granny square stitches, which you have 3 double crochet stitches as a cluster, and works perfectly here right now with my design, which I do not use those 3 double crochet stitches as a cluster. And corner again, always remember corner, we are going in between chain space because we want to create those nice pretty twinkling stars. And that's it. So you join the pocket join because you connected 3 different sides. And now we're just finishing our regular way, the 4th side of our granny square. So I really hope this information was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. And for those of you who work on Where the Daffodils Bloom blanket, this is exactly what you will be doing. If this is really too difficult for you, I will suggest to use mattress stitch, or if you already know any join, like single crochet join, you can do that as well. But I think this is real game changer. You save so much time just by joining as you go. I hope I will see you next time. Thank you for watching and supporting my work.